Choosing the right drone can feel overwhelming with so many options out there, but today we're making that choice easier. In this video, we're comparing two of DJI's most talked about drones, the DJI Air 3S and the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Are you looking for power and professional features, or are you after something compact and travel-friendly? Stay tuned as we break down everything you need to know: flight performance, camera capabilities, smart features, and more, so you can decide which drone will take your creativity to the next level. Let's start with how these two perform in the sky. If you're someone who flies no matter what the weather looks like, the DJI Air 3S is built to handle tougher conditions. With wind resistance of up to 26.8 miles per hour, it's designed to stay stable even when the breeze picks up. You also get helpful alerts if you're pushing the limits, keeping your flight safer and more controlled. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 4 Pro offers a respectable wind resistance of up to 24 miles per hour, which is impressive considering its ultra-lightweight design. However, because it's under 250 grams, it's more likely to be nudged around in turbulent air. For calm days or gentle breezes, the Mini 4 Pro will still perform like a champ, but in bustier situations, you'll want to think twice. Winner? The DJI Air 3S takes the lead for wind resistance and all-around stability in unpredictable conditions, but the Mini 4 Pro holds its own for its size class. When it comes to portability, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is a clear winner. Weighing in at just 249 grams, it's incredibly compact and light enough to fit inside a large jacket pocket or a small travel bag. For those who prioritize ease of transport and want to pack light, this drone is a dream. Meanwhile, the DJI Air 3S is still portable by most standards, thanks to its foldable design. But at 724 grams, it's significantly heavier and will require registration in many countries, including the US. So while it offers extra stability in flight, you're also carrying extra bulk. Winner: the Mini 4 Pro is the ultimate grab-and-go drone, perfect for travelers and adventurers on the move. Both drones capture stunning visuals, but they serve different creative needs. The DJI Air 3S steps ahead with its dual camera system, featuring a 1-inch CMOS wide-angle lens and a 1.3-inch telephoto lens. This setup allows you to seamlessly switch between expansive landscape shots and zoomed-in details, all while recording in 4K 60 frames per second with HDR and 10-bit color depth. With D-Log color profiles available, you get more flexibility in post-production for cinematic results. The DJI Mini 4 Pro, meanwhile, is equipped with a single 1.3-inch sensor that supports 4K 60 FPS video and HDR. The image quality is excellent for casual to semi-professional users, but it lacks the extra reach and advanced color grading options found in the Air 3S. Winner? The Air 3S is built for creators who demand professional-grade imagery, but the Mini 4 Pro is still a solid choice for everyday content creation. Flight time can make or break a drone session, and here's where things get interesting. The DJI Air 3S boasts up to 45 minutes of flight time on a single charge, plenty of time to capture the perfect shot or scout multiple locations. The DJI Mini 4 Pro's standard battery offers up to 34 minutes of flight time, but you can upgrade to the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus to push that up to 45 minutes. Keep in mind, though, that this upgraded battery adds weight, nudging the drone above the 249-gram limit, which may require registration depending on your location. Winner? It's a tie, but only if you're willing to invest in the Plus battery for the Mini 4 Pro. Both drones are packed with smart features designed to make flying safer and more intuitive. They each come with omnidirectional obstacle sensing, meaning they can detect objects in front, behind, and on the sides, helping prevent accidental crashes. The DJI Mini 4 Pro brings an impressive array of intelligent flight modes to the table, including master shots for automated cinematic sequences, quick shots with modes like droney, circle, helix, and boomerang, hyperlapse for dynamic time lapses with unlimited shooting duration, panorama modes to capture stunning wide-angle landscapes. The DJI Air 3S takes these features a step further with advanced waypoint missions for fully programmable flight paths, free panorama mode for easier panoramic shots, LiDAR-assisted obstacle sensing, offering better accuracy in low-light environments, next-gen smart return to home, RTH system, that memorizes your flight path and navigates home more intelligently, even if satellite connection is weak. Winner: the Air 3S edges ahead thanks to its next-level obstacle sensing and smarter autonomous features. Built-in storage. The Air 3S comes with a generous 42 gigabytes of internal storage, allowing you to shoot without worrying about a micro SD card. The Mini 4 Pro offers just 2 gigabytes, which is fine in a pinch, but limited for longer sessions. Efficient file sizes. The Air 3S uses advanced video encoding that reduces file sizes by over 30% without sacrificing quality. Perfect for saving storage space and streamlining your editing workflow. Ultimately, both drones shine in their own ways. Here's the bottom line. Choose the DJI Air 3S if you're a serious creator or professional who values advanced camera tech, superior wind resistance, and smarter autonomous flight features. It's perfect for challenging environments and ambitious projects. Go for the DJI Mini 4 Pro if you need a lightweight, ultra-portable drone with excellent features for casual travel, vlogging, or hobbyist photography. It's affordable, versatile, and easy to bring anywhere. So, which drone fits your style? The powerful and versatile DJI Air 3S or the ultra-portable and feature-packed DJI Mini 4 Pro? Both are incredible tools, but the right choice depends on your goals. Whether you're crafting cinematic footage or capturing quick travel memories, DJI has you covered. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech comparisons and drone tips. Thanks for watching and happy flying.